In this video, we'll show you how to add games. To give players access to games in the shell, you need to install all required games and applications on every gaming PC. For diskless systems, it's enough to install on just one PC under Super User mode. Set up game cards in the admin panel. Start by selecting the content category on the left. In the SENET Library tab, find your game and activate it for the venue with the toggle. Next, choose access zones for this game in the Venue Library tab. Save time by grouping cards for bulk zone setup. Can't find the needed game card in the SENET library? Send a request to tech support and get your game card ready within 24 hours. Or you can create your own card. Add a game description if needed, choose the launch method, platform the game was downloaded from, and enter its ID. Our Help Center article will guide you on how to find a game's ID. Open Help Center, search for ID, pick the article, where to find game IDs from launchers Steam, Origin, Battle.net, Riot Games, Epic Games. Enable Run as Administrator if the game requires admin rights. Choose the zones where the game will be available. Optionally, set time periods for availability in shell and age restrictions. Specify category, add tags and media files. The game is ready to launch. Please note, when adding a program, you need to select the local launch mode and specify the path where the program is located on the gaming PCs. It is important that the game is installed in the same folder on all computers. Be sure to specify the path to the exe launch file. Otherwise, the program will not start. Use quick filters to instantly sort content in your library. For a specific game or card, use advanced filters. Choose by location, category, tag, or launch method. This helps you quickly find the right content and saves your venue admins time. Updating games is easy. Just one click via the SENET admin panel. When a game card shows the Up to Update button, click it and select the PCs to be updated. If needed, contact our tech support to set up auto updates. That way, your players always get the latest versions. No hassle. Track content startup errors to keep things running smoothly. Switch to the Startup Errors tab to see all recent issues. Here you'll get full details: venue, date, PC, and description. For convenience, sort by venue, PC number, or error status. A handy option for players without their own gaming platform accounts. Set up venue accounts. Enter login and password. Choose the venue and games they're linked to. Each account is used by one player at a time. When starting a game, a player can choose their own or the venue account. The system will auto-log in to the first available venue account. Use step-by-step navigation and the Help Center. This will help you quickly set up content and get answers to any questions. Need help? Our expert support team is here for you 24/7. You can easily reach out through the live chat in your admin panel or via Telegram or Discord channels. SENET. Manage your esports center with ease, provide greater gaming and educational experiences, and grow your business.